Meet Danit.
Hi, my name is Danit Pere, and I print clothes.
Danit is the first person in the world to 3D print clothes from home. For 9 lonely months, she tried to see if making 3D printed clothes is possible at all. It was possible, and she made a beautiful collection of clothes as her school project. But her grade was
Below average.
and that was the end of it. But her fiancé said,
You have to share a story on Facebook.
and they did. Their Facebook video went viral with 5 million views, and that changed her life forever. She got invited to speak in more than 20 countries, got 1.5 million views for her TED Talk, designed and printed a dress for the Paralympics opening ceremony, and is now working to let anybody print their own 3D jackets online.
And it feels like a real fabric.
Thanks to people like Danit, instead of shopping for clothes, soon you'll be able to download and print them at home.
That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Nice. That was awesome. That was awesome.